Most people look at Taurus and see someone calm, quiet, comfortable, and perhaps a little too predictable. They assume Taurus avoids risks, moves slowly, and prefers an easy life. But this peaceful exterior hides one of the most powerful personalities in the entire zodiac. Taurus does not need to dominate every conversation or prove their strength publicly. Their power is quieter than that. It appears in their patience, emotional endurance, loyalty, discipline, and ability to survive situations that would completely break someone else. Taurus may remain silent while others underestimate them, but when they finally decide to act, they become nearly impossible to stop. So, what is the real personality of Taurus? Why are they stronger, deeper, and more dangerous than most people realize? Stay until the end, because the final Taurus trait explains why losing their trust can become permanent. Taurus is an earth sign ruled by Venus, the planet associated with love, beauty, pleasure, values, and attraction. This combination gives Taurus a personality that appears soft but is built on an incredibly solid foundation. They often carry themselves with calmness, even when chaos is unfolding around them. While others react immediately, Taurus observes. They take their time, study the situation, and decide whether it deserves their energy. Some people mistake this calm behavior for weakness, fear, or passivity. In reality, Taurus usually understands that not every conflict deserves a reaction. They do not waste their strength on temporary drama. They conserve it for situations that truly matter. A Taurus can tolerate pressure for an extraordinary amount of time. They may experience disappointment, stress, betrayal, or emotional pain without showing the full extent of what they are feeling. Their silence does not mean nothing is happening inside. It often means they are processing everything carefully. By the time Taurus responds, their decision is usually firm, deliberate, and difficult to reverse. Taurus may not always be the loudest person in the room, but they are often one of the most observant. They notice changes in people's voices, behavior, routines, and energy. They remember promises, contradictions, and small details that others forget. Because Taurus values consistency, they pay close attention to whether someone's actions match their words. They might not confront dishonesty immediately. Instead, they quietly collect information. They watch patterns and allow people to reveal their true character over time. This is one reason it can be difficult to manipulate a mature Taurus. They may appear as though they believe everything being said, but internally, they are already evaluating the situation. Taurus trusts evidence more than empty promises. Grand speeches may sound impressive, but Taurus wants to see reliability. Can you be present when life becomes difficult? Can you keep your word? Can you offer stability rather than temporary excitement? These are the questions Taurus silently asks before allowing someone into their inner world. Patience is one of the greatest Taurus strengths. In a world where people constantly search for immediate results, Taurus understands the power of gradual progress. They know that worthwhile things often require time, repetition, and discipline. When Taurus chooses a goal, they can pursue it steadily for years. They may not move as quickly as an impulsive fire sign, but they often outlast everyone else. Their success comes from consistency. They continue showing up even after the initial excitement disappears. This quality can make Taurus powerful in careers, finances, relationships, and personal development. They are often willing to build slowly, save carefully, practice repeatedly, and create something that lasts. While other people may start with tremendous enthusiasm and then lose interest, Taurus keeps moving forward. Their pace may look slow from the outside, but Taurus is not usually interested in temporary victories. They want security, mastery, and sustainable results. Once they establish momentum, moving them away from their purpose becomes extremely difficult. Taurus is famous for loyalty, but their loyalty should never be confused with blind obedience. A Taurus does not give genuine trust to everyone. They may be friendly and respectful, yet still protect their most vulnerable emotions until someone proves they are dependable. Once Taurus truly accepts someone, they often become deeply committed. They will offer emotional support, practical help, protection, time, and consistency. Taurus is the person who may not always deliver dramatic speeches, but they will show up when everyone else disappears. Their love is often demonstrated through actions. They may prepare something for you, solve a problem, remember what you need, protect your reputation, or remain by your side during a crisis. Taurus wants the people they love to feel safe, however, this loyalty has limits. Taurus can forgive mistakes, especially when they believe the apology is sincere. But repeated betrayal changes them. Every broken promise weakens the foundation. Once Taurus decides that someone is no longer trustworthy, rebuilding the connection can become almost impossible. Taurus is frequently described as someone who hates change. That description is incomplete. Taurus does not necessarily fear all change, they dislike unnecessary instability. They want to know that the risk has a purpose and that the new direction offers something valuable. Taurus can make major changes when they believe those changes will create a stronger future. They may change careers, leave relationships, relocate, or completely rebuild their lives. But they rarely make such decisions impulsively. They prepare, evaluate, and create a foundation before taking the next step. Their desire for stability is not simply about comfort. Stability allows Taurus to feel emotionally secure and mentally focused. Constant uncertainty drains them. Unreliable people, unpredictable relationships, and chaotic environments can make them withdraw. Taurus performs best when they have something solid beneath them. Once they feel secure, their confidence, creativity, sensuality, and ambition begin to expand. They are not asking for a boring life. They are asking for a life that does not collapse every time something becomes difficult. Because Taurus is ruled by Venus, they often have a deep appreciation for beauty and physical experience. Music, fragrance, food, art, touch, nature, fashion, and comfortable surroundings can have a powerful effect on their mood. Taurus often wants love to feel real and tangible. They usually value quality time, physical affection, thoughtful gifts, and consistent effort. They are unlikely to feel satisfied by a connection built entirely on words. They want to experience love through someone's presence and behavior. In romance, Taurus may take time to open up. They want to feel confident that the relationship is safe before revealing their softer side. But once emotionally invested, they can become affectionate, protective, devoted, and highly attentive. They often remember what their partner enjoys and try to create moments of comfort and intimacy. Taurus love may not always be flashy, but it can be deeply grounding. Being loved by a healthy Taurus can feel like having a safe place in a chaotic world. At the same time, their strong attachment can sometimes become possessiveness. When Taurus fears losing something valuable, they may hold on too tightly. Learning to trust without trying to control everything is an important part of their emotional growth. Taurus usually does not explode over every minor irritation. They often tolerate much more than people realize. They may ignore an insult, give someone another opportunity, or remain composed while their frustration slowly grows. This is why Taurus anger can surprise people. The person who appeared patient and peaceful suddenly becomes firm, direct, and immovable. But that reaction usually did not appear from nowhere. It was created through repeated disrespect, pressure, or betrayal. Taurus often gives warnings through changes in behavior. They become quieter, less available, and less emotionally generous. If those signals are ignored, they may eventually reach a point where they completely shut down. When Taurus is truly angry, trying to pressure them usually makes the situation worse. They need time to process what happened. Their fixed sign nature means that once they form a conclusion, changing their mind requires strong evidence. The most intimidating part of Taurus anger is not always shouting. It is emotional finality. A Taurus who has stopped arguing may have already decided that the relationship is over. Stubbornness is the trait most commonly associated with Taurus. There is truth in this reputation, but Taurus stubbornness has two different sides. The positive side is determination. Taurus does not easily abandon people, goals, or responsibilities. They can remain focused when others become distracted. They resist social pressure and do not change their values simply to gain approval. This makes Taurus dependable and mentally strong. They are often able to maintain boundaries and protect what they have built. The negative side appears when Taurus refuses to adapt even after circumstances have changed. They may remain in an unhealthy job, relationship, habit, or belief because letting go feels like losing control. Sometimes they confuse familiarity with safety. A powerful Taurus learns to distinguish commitment from attachment. Commitment means continuing because something still has value. Attachment means continuing simply because change feels uncomfortable. When Taurus learns when to stand firm and when to release, their stubbornness becomes wisdom rather than limitation. Taurus often has a strong relationship with material security. This does not mean every Taurus is obsessed with money. More commonly, they understand that financial stability creates freedom, comfort, and protection. They may prefer dependable income, valuable possessions, and long-term investments over reckless spending. Even when Taurus enjoys luxury, they often care about quality. They would rather own one durable, beautiful item than several things with little value. In professional life, Taurus can excel in environments where patience, responsibility, creativity, strategy, or practical judgment are rewarded. Their consistency makes them reliable employees, business owners, artists, planners, and leaders. Taurus may not constantly advertise their ambition. They can quietly build wealth, influence, or expertise while other people assume they are simply living comfortably. Their progress often happens behind the scenes. The danger comes when security becomes more important than fulfillment. Taurus may remain in a stable situation long after it stops inspiring them. Their challenge is to remember that true security is not only about what they own. It is also about trusting their ability to rebuild. Behind the strong exterior, Taurus can be extremely sensitive. They feel deeply, but they do not always express emotions immediately. They may fear that revealing too much will make them vulnerable to disappointment or manipulation. When hurt, Taurus often retreats rather than publicly displaying pain. They may focus on work, routines, food, sleep, music, or personal comfort while trying to regain emotional balance. This can make others believe Taurus does not care, when the opposite may be true. They remember how people make them feel. A harsh comment, broken promise, or moment of abandonment can remain in their memory for years. Taurus may forgive, but emotional wounds often take time to disappear. Their deepest desire is usually not constant excitement. It is emotional peace. They want relationships where they do not have to question someone's intentions every day. They want to relax without expecting betrayal. When Taurus feels genuinely safe, their playful, humorous, affectionate, and generous personality becomes much easier to see. The softer side of Taurus is not absent. It is protected. The real power of Taurus comes from endurance. They may bend under pressure, but they are extraordinarily difficult to destroy. When life knocks them down, they rebuild one practical step at a time. Taurus does not always chase attention, yet their presence can command respect. They do not always speak first, yet their final words may carry the greatest weight. They do not always move quickly, yet they frequently reach destinations that impatient people never achieve. Their power is found in their ability to remain grounded when others panic. It is found in their loyalty when others become inconsistent. It is found in their ability to create security from uncertainty and beauty from ordinary circumstances. But there is one final truth people should understand. Taurus can love someone for a very long time, but they can also permanently detach after reaching their limit. They may give several chances, silently hoping the situation will improve. However, once their heart accepts that nothing will change, they stop investing. At that point, apologies, promises, and emotional pressure may no longer work. That is why Taurus should never be mistaken for weak. Their patience is not permission. Their silence is not ignorance. Their kindness is not an invitation to disrespect them. Taurus is powerful because they know how to wait, build, protect, survive, and eventually walk away. And when they finally recognize their own strength, they become one of the most unstoppable personalities in the zodiac. So, is Taurus simply calm and stubborn, or are they one of the strongest signs in astrology? The truth is that Taurus carries both softness and power. They can create comfort while surviving hardship, love deeply while maintaining strong boundaries, and remain peaceful without surrendering their authority. The next time you meet a Taurus, pay attention to what exists beneath their calm exterior. You may be looking at someone who has survived battles they never discuss, remained loyal through situations others abandoned, and built a stable life through patience that few people possess. Are you a Taurus, or do you have an important Taurus in your life? Share the most accurate Taurus trait in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more hidden truths about every zodiac sign.